In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ACH bank payments within QuickBooks. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a better understanding of how to manage payments in QuickBooks efficiently. So let's dive right in together. First, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features we'll be discussing today. Once you're comfortably situated within the QuickBooks dashboard, we can move forward with the setup. Next, find your way to the Settings option. You can usually see this on the upper right corner of your QuickBooks interface. Clicking on Settings will give you a drop-down menu, and from there you should select Account and Settings. This section houses various critical options, including those related to billing, company details, and payments. Now you're almost there. From the Account and Settings menu, direct your attention to the Payments tab. This is where you manage all aspects of transactions and payment processing. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll notice a list of different payment options that QuickBooks supports. Among these options, you'll see the choice for ACH bank payments. All you need to do is make sure this option is turned on. Enabling ACH payments will allow your customers to pay directly from their bank accounts, which is often more convenient for both you and them. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you have successfully set up ACH bank payments in QuickBooks. This feature can significantly streamline your payment processes, saving you time and potentially reducing transaction fees compared to credit card payments. Before wrapping up, there are a few tips worth mentioning. Always double-check that your bank information is correctly entered in QuickBooks to avoid any payment processing issues. Also, keep your payment preferences updated in case of any changes to your business operations or banking details. Regularly reviewing these settings will ensure that your transaction processes remain smooth and uninterrupted. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Enabling ACH bank payments in QuickBooks is a great way to manage your business's cash flow more efficiently. If you have any more questions or encounter any hiccups along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to QuickBooks' support for more in-depth assistance. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.